Sometimes videos don't go as planned. That is the one today. Let me set this up for you. Came out here earlier, a few hours ago, with two of my kids and the dog, and it was just so hot and miserable. They weren't having a fun time, so I took them home. Going to adjust some poundage on RJ's bow because he needs it higher. Do a full turn or half turn?
We did a full turn.
Pull back and see how it feels. More?
Maybe.
Remember, you don't want to be wrecking your shoulder.
Yeah. I think I'm good there for now.
But specifically, what I was trying to make a video on was different vanes that I'm using for my arrow setup. Here's my 70-yard group. Basically what I'm looking for is you got to take into account the shooter's grouping ability, which mine at 70 yards. So what I'm looking for is that over time the AAE Max vanes are grouping somewhat close to my blazer vanes. I've been out several times before shooting these to see how they group with my blazer vanes. And this is the last trip that I'm going to use to take that series of data collection, if you will, and determine if I'm going to use these for this hunting season or not. Right now I'm leaning towards yes. I'm going to move to those and we'll finish this out and see what happens. After that second round of 70, my first shot was actually really low. You can see that one. So I adjusted the sight to bring it up. That far right one, that's me. AAE Max is this top one here on the left. There's a blazer, there's a blazer. But they're not working. It's not the vanes themselves that is the problem, but I think it's me fletching them. These I haven't had any problems with them falling off other than when I shoot them off. But my other vanes just, I mean, I could just pull them right off the arrow. So I need to figure that piece out. The reason I'm going to them, they're AAE Max, I think is what they're called, but they're longer vanes. And they're supposed to be a little bit quieter, and I've been using them for quite a while now, just practicing with them, mixing them in with these current to see if they group the same. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to use them for this year's hunting season, but that's why I'm out here shooting them a lot, is because, well, if they're not going to work, then I'm not going to use them. Or at least I need to figure out how to make them work. Maybe in time for this season, maybe not. Just a small video in a storyline of me getting ready for the hunt this upcoming season, which at the time I'm filming this will probably come out way later, but it's about a month away. So I'm just fine-tuning things, getting ready for that. To give you guys an update, I did not draw out on mule deer. I'll do over-the-counter elk again this year, so depending on the unit that I hunt, I'll be hunting most likely cow, but some of the hunts I can, or some of the units, I can hunt spike or any bull, but again, depends on the unit. I have an area picked out. Both me and my brother will be hunting together this year. Looking forward to that. Thanks for this kind of what was going to be a vid that turned out not to be a vid that I made into a vid. See ya.